Chris and Bazzers fishing show.
First all-nighter of the year, isn't it, boy?
All night. We're going to
Because
be here
of the lockdown?
all night. We're going to be here all night. We're going to be...
Oh, we're going to all night.
All night. Ow.
Do you want to show our fans your lucky charm?
I believe so, mate. Well, we haven't had a lot of luck lately, have we?
No, yeah, well, I ain't caught a fish all year, have I, boy?
That's because you're shit.
Well, yeah, true.
But I believe, right,
Yeah.
that...
What's happened? Has it got
We
a
got
floppy? Come here, you idiot. Right,
fine.
go and
Right.
get your lucky charm. He
Okay.
reckons that all the fishermen on the trawlers have this. I can't, he's just cut his hand on it now.
Right, this is our lucky pineapple.
Well, how can it be lucky? We ain't caught nothing yet.
Because we haven't started yet. Look, you haven't set
Oh, right,
up.
okay, yeah. So that's our lucky
It's
charm.
our lucky pineapple.
Yeah.
And with this pineapple from Morrison's,
With this pineapple, I catch these fish.
we will, mate. We will catch a load, trust me. We will catch loads.
Anyway, so we're going to be here. What's the time now? It's 12 o'clock and we're staying
12
here till about
o'clock.
5.
And we're going to watch the sunrise.
And we got a big bag, haven't we, for the fish?
We got big bag for the fish, got loads of grub.
Yep. Got a big
And
pasty,
this-
haven't I?
This,
This.
this.
Say it then. This. There. This. Go on, boy.
This is going to get us a lot of fucking fish.
It better do, because if not, he's going in there, isn't he?
Yeah, he's going in there.
Right
So,
then, let's get
wish
started.
us
up
luck.
then.
Come on. Like that.
Do you know why you bought that?
Why have I bought it?
Because in your fantasy world, you think that SpongeBob's down there, don't you?
Mate,
And he
Google
lives
it.
in a pineapple.
Let me tell you, right? There's loads of... It's lovely, that, Baz.
Yep.
Look at that. Did you catch that, Baz?
Well, I caught he last time, didn't I?
Yeah.
Yeah, I went Sainsbury's
What did
caught
you
he.
get?
£2.25, bro.
Sainsbury's.
But you think that's quite cheap, really, because I've spent about £225 on all my fishing gear. So basically, what we catch tonight is going to cost me about 300 quid.
And a camera.
And a fishing rod.
And a fishing rod. But we've got beer and we've got coffee. And right here, and look at it. Look
I've got my
it's
pasty as well,
beautiful.
haven't I?
Oh, he's got a pasty.
I'm looking forward to eating later, bro. Right, I'm going to go.
You're going to share the viewers the pasty?
You got a rag?
No. We'll see you later.
You not got a rag?
Yeah, I got right.
Oh, you idiot. I was going to say, if you ain't got a rag, I can't get the fish off the hook. 'Cause it
Mate,
gets all slimy,
hang on a
doesn't it?
minute. You give me loads of shit in the previous videos.
No,
I
but
just
it
want to
gets
say,
slimy,
mate.
don't it, like that?
No, but listen, mate. If you catch a fish, I am not touching it. Because the amount of times you said you caught it, you got to take it off.
What if it's a scary one?
Well, it's your problem, mate. The viewers just going to laugh at you, aren't they?
If you get a crab, I'll get it off for you.
Uh-oh. Viewers heard that? Right, let's get a crab then.
Right, let's cast out, boy.
Go on. That's his first cast of the night.
Right then, boy. Hey, look at that moon over there.
Oh, it's beautiful, yeah.
Beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right then.
Here he goes. Can't fucking see ya. I can just see this green man.
Fuck, I ain't called Shrek.
Oh, lovely moon.
Beautiful.
Right, so we're started. We've started the night. What time is it now, Baz? 12:15?
Oh, 20 past 12.
20 past
Down
12.
to about 5, wouldn't it, boy?
We're going to be out here and we're going to see the sunrise with loads of fish.
Yeah. With old hands and we boy. Look at this sunrise.
That's right. What we're going to do.
A bit of sand and a bit of mackerel.
Sweet.
1,
We're having a great time.
2,
No fishes yet. Where's the lucky pineapple?
4.
There it is.
That fucking pine, stick that pineapple. So when
Mate,
the sun
that
don't
pineapple,
shine, it's
right,
okay.
will get us fish.
I hope so. If not, it's going somewhere where the sun don't shine.
A man in fucking green, look. Oh, fucking hell.
What's that?
What's the matter, Baz? Can you not see it or something?
Of course I can see it. Oh, you bloody idiot. Right, so you get E.
I'm going to sit
Oh,
down.
bloody hand stinking fish.
We're on, Baz, we're on.
You on, Chris?
Yeah.
Come on, boy.
Oh, it feels a bit like a doggy.
Now, you won't get a doggy here, boy. There's no rocks.
Alright.
I reckon it could be a pollock, boy.
Mackerel, I reckon.
Yeah? Is it, how heavy?
Yeah, it's quite a ton.
Yeah, but you're a bit of a wimp, ain't you?
Yeah.
Did you have something to eat before you came in?
Pizza. I put it on Facebook.
Oh, yeah, so you did.
Dog use it? Yeah.
Is it a dog?
Yeah.
you joking me? Let's have a look.
Heavy bastard as well.
Hang on. All right, don't put it near me, you bloody idiot. Don't be so... What are you doing, you prick? Don't. Right, keep it still. Keep it still.
Come on, mate.
Keep it. Don't be a twat.
What's the matter? You've got to take
It's
it
got
off.
teeth.
You said you're taking it off.
Listen, watch. Show everyone what it is. Right, go on then, boy. You can take it off.
You said you were going to take it off.
I didn't catch it.
Oh, is it?
No, I said if you catch a crab.
That is probably bigger than a dogfish. Alright, get me jobber.
Go on then.
Dogfish. Fucking hell.
Birdie, isn't he?
I don't know.
We've been down here 30 minutes and he caught that in half an hour.
Leave 1 second. O prins direct here.
Should we keep that?
Leave 1 second, ska man inte.
I don't want to keep it.
O prins direkt here. Yes.
Chris, show the camera, mate.
Sorry, mate.
Oh, tell me.
Doggy.
Yeah.
Yeah, Chris and Bazzers show's got a... We have got a crowd now.
Make it real.
You got me?
Not bad, is it, boy?
I'm going to put him back. Baz, are you on?
Mate, I've got...
Baz is on. It's been a long time.
Hang on. Got something there, boy.
What you got, mate?
What's happening here?
Come on. I wonder what music I can put to this.
It's fucking wrapped around. Oh, for fuck's sake. That's it.
That fish be gone, mate, by the time you read it in.
Oh, there you... Oh, hang on.
Oh, come on.
Oh, look. Hang on.
What you got?
What the... I've got some feathers.
You caught feathers?
Look at it. Of course. At least I caught something anyway, boy. You caught a dug. Hang on, what's this here?
What is it?
I've caught something else now.
What? Oh, you gotta wait.
What's the fucking... There's something else in there. For fuck's sake. Oh, why can't life just be simple? Hang on, wait there. What's here now? Hang on.
Is that the line? Watch it, it's not one of theirs, because they're striking it, mate.
Whose is it?
Is it just normal line?
What the... Diddle for fuck. What is it?
I don't know. How much line you bringing in? Oh, is it? Oh.
I'll probably find a fucking fishing rod.
That'll be funny, but is it...
I'll do that later. That's alright, isn't it?
Got some feathers, Baz.
There's 2 lots of feathers.
Oh,
Oh, and I gotta wait.
Oh, wait. What up, mate?
Oh, we'll sort that out in a minute.
Yes, Bazzer.
But
No fish, but extra tackle.
I'm just going to spend about 10 minutes bringing this in.
Does it feel heavy?
There's nothing on the end of it. This fucking fish has been on there for 6 months.
So just line then? Oh, there you go. There's the end of it.
I can't believe that. They're nice feathers, aren't they, boy?
Lovely. Lovely for free, yeah.
Yeah. I think that's just a set of feathers, isn't it? Yeah.
Well done, Baz.
They're going to wait there as well.
Maybe next time, eh?
What's the chances of catching feathers?
Well, fish would be nice, wouldn't it?
Well, yeah.
As you can see, the
old sun's starting to come up now.
starting to come up. So this is a Chris and Baz's fishing show, and
I have to get my light on. Hang on.
yeah, it's on, Baz.
Is it on?
Yeah, it's on.
Oh, on.
You're all right. And
Well, it's 4:15 in the morning. The old sun's going to start coming up over there.
4:04 in the morning.
Chris
And
got
we
a
only
dog,
caught
didn't he?
one dogfish. But we're still going. Got
Yeah.
last hour or so, haven't we?
I got quite a few bites, didn't I?
Oh, Baz has got like loads of bites. Yeah.
And I got a line of feathers, didn't I? And a weight.
Line of
Caught
feathers.
that.
Yeah. So there we go. Torquay at the moment.
Beautiful place to be, though, isn't it, Bud? Beautiful place.
Beautiful place. And there's Bazzer.
So I'm going to take one of my rods down and just have the other one going.
That's what we're doing.
But there's a few bites out there at the moment, isn't there?
Boots.
Fucking heck.
What you done?
Get in there, that is. I'll have to cut it off. You got some steps? I can't get it off.
How do you get off?
Oh. For fuck's sake.
Yes, mate.
Look at the feathers there. That's what I caught, isn't it?
Don't worry about the feathers.
Oh, I need this like a fucking elephant, don't I?
How you getting on?
That's it.
Oh. We're still in there, Baz. Oh, no. How that go, Bazzer?
What do you think it goes? That's what it. That's the only thing I've got. Can't believe it. You can't write it, can you? Really?
We done it. The sun is
The
rising.
all-nighter.
All-nighter, but caught fuck all. That's a fucking dogfish. Let's go home.